A gold IRA sounds simple, but the rules trip up a lot of people. A gold IRA isn't a do whatever you want account. It's a regular IRA with stricter custody rules. You can't store the gold at home, and a dealer can't hold your IRA gold for you either. The IRS also doesn't allow just any gold coin, and opening a gold IRA doesn't reset your IRA history as a brand new IRA. Depending on storage type, you may not always get the exact same coins back, and RMD rules can still apply. The clean way to understand a gold IRA is as a four-party setup with clear jobs. You, the investor, own the IRA account, but the IRA custodian holds the title and handles the reporting. A metals dealer supplies the coins or bars you buy inside the IRA, and an approved depository stores them. Storage typically comes in two modes, segregated or commingled, and it affects cost and whether you receive the exact same items later. If you try home storage, it can trigger taxes and penalties. Most surprises in gold IRAs come from eligibility rules and the real cost of the products. For gold, the purity standard is generally 99, and the list of IRA-eligible coins is narrower than ads imply. Costs also differ. Bars often carry about 1% premiums, while common coins can run 3–8%, which is money you must earn back before you profit. Regular IRA contribution limits still apply, about $7,000 or $8,000 depending on age, and taking personal possession is usually a taxable event. The day-to-day math of a gold IRA is spot price plus premiums, plus the spread when you eventually sell. Dealers price metals above spot, and bars usually cost less than coins, but what matters most is the buy-sell spread, because that's the hidden cost you feel on exit. Your IRA statements often show estimated values, not a guaranteed cash-out number. Before you place a trade, confirm the exact product, premium, and any shipping or wire fees. And remember, depository storage isn't free. A gold IRA works best when you plan the exit before you buy. Ask your custodian what distribution options you have, selling for cash or taking an in-kind distribution of metal, which can create taxes in that year. If you'll face RMDs, have a plan to raise cash without selling in a hurry. Get liquidation and buyback costs in writing, and verify the timeline to sell and settle. Also, recheck that each product is IRA eligible and that storage is with an approved depository setup. If you remember one rule, it's this: storing IRA gold at home can trigger taxes and penalties. The smart investor matches you to gold IRA providers based on your goals, then shows the real dollar cost difference over time. Free? Takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.